Welcome back to the channel. Yeah. And fucking rain came early, man, bro. Trying to meet up. At least try to get to swapping out my front end today. Oh shit. Oh well. But it started raining, so we gotta improvise. I told him another spot. You know, we can head to and do it there. So we're gonna probably head over there, cause first it wasn't supposed to rain till motherfucking 5 o'clock. And then all of a sudden it's changed to expect 3 o'clock. Shit like that. Oh yeah, I don't have no hat beam. Oh yes I do. I was looking in the wrong spot this morning then. The fucking steering wheel was you know, the way I was sitting, I couldn't see it. I was looking down at the bottom of the dash for the high beam, like, you know, for the blue light that come on for the high beams. I'm like, damn, I ain't got no high beam bulbs. I'm like, I gotta get some bulbs. I'm like, nah, fuck it. How often do you use high beams? You don't use high beams like that. Well, at least I don't. So, but then I just looked at the way I was sitting now and I just had them. And I was like, damn, I do got them. I was like, okay, cool. You know, it's the dumb shit I'm talking about. People know they can't make it and they want to block the fucking street, big ass charter bus. God damn, that 4Runner was just thirsty to get in, huh? But yeah, so we're gonna improvise. I told bro my location, told him I'm headed that way. So he know where to meet me at. We're gonna load up this shit and we're gonna go over here to the other spot. I let my girl know that way she can, you know, meet us over there and you know, shit like that. So so she can meet us over there. She gotta make some more runs. And after that, I'm done. You know, after doing that, I'm done for the day. Oh yeah, my struts came also. I had stopped by my mama's house real quick. And she was like, yeah, this big ass, and my mama, but yeah, this big ass package. Okay, and she like, it gotta be yours because the shit is heavy. I don't probably my struts, which I told her what Amazon told me, you know, delivered between the 12th and the 14th. Well, it came a day early. That's fucking good. Okay, you had enough time to go. Use that as I was still pulling up. So, they came in and, you know, I'm gonna bust the box open. Also, go up in it and make sure, you know, and then probably tomorrow, you know, get to school and talk to one of the teachers, see if they can let me in after class or something. Get motherfuckers on. You big bitch. I swear to God, I hate people do that shit the last fucking minute, bro. I really hate when people do last minute fucking shit. Like, how the fuck you just gonna dart out there? Dart out there, I mean. Dot. Gonna dart out there and it's wet. Why is this little Elantra riding my ass? You matchbox ass drivers. I swear they be pissing me off with them little bitty ass matchboxes. But yeah, anyways, I'll catch y'all next video. Like, comment, subscribe.